Hey you guys, Laura here, and I'm a certified personal trainer and Pilates instructor here bringing you today a 5-move Pilates ab series for you to do as a standalone workout or to add on after a run, after your whatever it is that you've done for your workout for today. You can even couple it with another one of the workouts that I have on my video. One of the biggest things I have been hearing about being the obstacle of starting a movement or exercise practice is time. So the idea is if you get just this 5-move sequence, that is taking you one step forward towards your fitness goals. So let's go ahead, grab a mat. You won't need any props. We're gonna be working our core, and let's start in a laying down position. In our laying down position, we're going to start with an exercise called the single leg stretch. I want you to pull one knee in towards your chest as the other leg straightens across the room, and then we're going to switch and switch. So now the higher that your leg goes, the easier it is on your pelvis, on your back. So if you notice that as the leg goes across in the horizontal position, if you're getting a little bit of tension in that lower back, see if changing the height of your leg makes a difference for you. If you start to feel any tension in the back of your neck, you can always put a pillow or a ball behind you. And we're just breathing here. Single leg pull, one leg in, then the other leg in. As you press out, try to squeeze your glute and stretch your leg across the room like you're trying to touch the wall in front of you. We're going to do one more each side, and then we're going to go double leg. Double leg, 2 options, both legs in. Reach your hands by your hips as your legs reach out. Option 2, both legs in. Arms reach backwards as your legs reach forward. And then come back to your legs. Again, legs out, arms to your favorite position, and back to a ball. Arms out, legs out, back to your ball. We're gonna do 10, that's 3. Squeeze those inner thighs together like you have only one leg. And once again, the higher your legs are, the easier it's gonna be for your pelvis to stabilize those legs. 2 legs can be a heavy unit, depending on how tall you are too. So no shame in taking those legs a little bit higher to the ceiling. We're going to do 2 more here. Try to lift those head, neck, and shoulders up a little bit more. Last one. And then we're going to switch into our straight leg scissor stretch. One leg up, one leg down. Maybe you have a bent leg. That's okay. Get it as long as you can, and then switch. And switch. Now here, we pull the top leg in towards you so you can get a little bit of a hamstring stretch. So I love giving this specific one to my runners so they can get that stretch through their back, through their hamstrings. And as you hold on behind your leg, you want to make sure it's behind either your calf or your hamstring. It's not on the back of that knee joint. Try to get your head, neck, and shoulders up a little bit higher off the mat. And every time you switch legs, see if you can keep your head, neck, and shoulders up. Don't let it drop to the floor. Last 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take a break for a moment, rest your head down. Now the next option, let's go head down to release some of that tension through the neck and straighten your legs upwards towards the sky. Double leg lift lowers, they're gonna go down, down, down with control, and then lift your legs back up. Another option here, if you feel that lower back, try to take your hands underneath your tailbone, legs reach up, we go down, 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 and then lift those legs back up. Both options are okay, and if you want to level up the ante, still work that upper abdominals, hands behind your head, and the legs go down, down, down. So I've given you 3 options here. Take the one that works best for you. I'm going to stay with my head, neck, and shoulders up and lifted. I've got 6. We're going to go for 4 more. Legs together, nice and tight. Once again, also, if you have to bend those knees and just hinge from the hips, that's okay. Another variation, you can't see with the angle of the mirror, but you can also open up those knees, create a little diamond shape, and you're still working those lower abdominals. Last 3, use that exhale to lift it up. 2, last one here, and then bend the knees, take your feet to the floor. Hands interlaced behind your head if you weren't there before. And from here, we're just gonna do an upper body crisscross. Lift the head, neck, and shoulders and come to the diagonal, lower down to the ground. Switch sides. Lift up, come up to the diagonal, and then lower yourself back down. Option 1. Option 2, we lift the leg that we're twisting towards to 90 degrees. Lower back down. So it's kind of like a march. Lift and twist, and then back down. Lift and twist, and come back down. Option 3, we can keep both legs up at 90 degrees and twist with the upper body. No leg movement. Option 4, you can stretch one leg out as you twist like a traditional bicycle. I want these to be slow and steady. Lift and twist, come down. Lift and twist, come down. So you have that moment of pause up at the top, like you're wringing out your waistline as if you were trying to wring out water from a wet towel. Last 4, 3, 2, and 1. Both knees in, rest your head. Ooh, big stretch, arms one way, legs the other, so you can stretch out that belly after all of that hard work. Nice job, you guys. You can come up to a sitting position if you are all done. If you like this video and want to see more videos like this, these short, quick, to the point workouts, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It gives me feedback and lets me know that these are the style of videos that you would like to see. If you're not already subscribed to my page and you like to find workouts, you like to learn about fitness and workout tips, help prevent injury so that you can keep living an active lifestyle, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you can get updated and notified on the different videos that I put up for you guys. Thank you for watching and joining in with me on this workout. I'll see you guys next time.